Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the technical support section in the Saudia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the help button. And within this section, click on the technical support button. And as you can see, first you have to give your title, your first name, your last name, your email address, your country, or territory code, your phone number and your mobile phone number. You need to provide some booking information like your booking reference, ticket number, or ID. And you also have to set the type of problem, like if it's a complaint with a payment issue or a technical issue. You have to provide a short summary and the description of the problem. And you can also attach a file, for example, a screenshot of the problem that you have. And then lastly, you have to confirm that you're not a robot, and then by clicking on the submit button, your request will be sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.